Hello student, today we are going to continue our previous chapter resources, land and soil. Okay, we have already learned about the types of soil and layers of soil, what is the importance of the soil. But today what we have to learn that the soil conservation. Okay, soil is a precious resources and an important part of the ecosystem. If we have soil, we have life. Imagine a world with no soil besides supporting food and fiber and wildlife habitat. Soil filter air and water. Okay, and gases with the atmosphere and also affect the world climate. Thus, it affects the quality of life around it. But it takes nearly 500 years to form 1 centimeter thick soil. Okay, so we must conserve our soil. Soil good agriculture production is necessary for the economic prosperity. Prosperity means success of any country like India. Fertility soil help to attain self-sufficient in agricultural production. Okay, the wide variety of soil in India support variety of crops. It means India here is different types of soil that support the agricultural crops, okay, and provide livelihood to millions of people. It is therefore necessary to ensure planned management of these resources through soil conservation. So we must conserve this type of precious resources, soil. Okay, and soil conservation is important to maintain life on earth. Its objective means aim, to maintain the quality of the soil by preservation. Its deterioration means below the quality. Okay, down, go slow down the all over the world. Proper land use practices and special agricultural technique have been adopted by the farmer as well as the government. But you better know that in India that the land is divided in different plots. That's why a special agriculture technique has not been adopted by the farmers, and also the government has not support the farmer. Okay, but some method we can adopt for soil conservation. What is the method? Our first method is afforestation. Afforestation or planting of more tree can help a lot in conserving the soil. And our next point is agricultural technique. What is the different types of technique to adopt for the soil conservation? Our first point is terrace cultivation. Okay, terrace cultivation is the method of growing crops on the sides of hills and mountain in a step like formation. This helps to prevent or reduce the runoff rainwater and carrying of soil with it. And our next point is contour farming. What is the contour farming? This involves farming along the contour lines horizontally around a hill rather than plugging up and down the slope. This reduces the flow of water and thus checks soil erosion. And our next point is mulching farming. Mulching farming is it covering the empty ground between rows of plant with straw or other organic matter can help to retain soil moisture. Okay. And our next point is windbreak farming. What is the windbreak farming? Windbreak or shelter belts are formed where trees are planted between crops row to break the speed of winds and also to prevent soil erosion. And our next point is intercropping farming. What is the intercropping farming? It is the method of growing two or more crops on the same land in the same growing season. Generally, one is fast growing crop while the other takes longer to mature. And our next point is crop rotation. What is the crop rotation? Crop rotation is the growing of two or more different crops in a regular sequence on the same land, one after the other. This controls insects and disease and also help to conserve soil nutrients. Okay. And our last point is drip irrigation. What is the drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is the slow release of water to each plant to conserve water and prevent soil runoff with too much of water. And the other method, what is the other method that we adopt for the soil conservation? Next, prevention of overgrazing. You know the meaning of overgrazing? Overgrazing means large number of animals are grazing in a small area, that it affects also the environment. So stop overgrazing. Construction of dams to control flooding and to check soil erosion. You have also seen that the dam on the river, and why the dam construction? Because dam control the flooding and also irrigation for the crops, and main important thing is to check the soil erosion. Okay. So today this chapter is finished, and next day you have to write your exercises, start writing your exercises. Okay. And today is your homework, that learn glossary. Just you can write in rough copy glossary all these points. Okay. Thank you.